Looking for the best RISHEGAE chunky beaded necklace for women? Boho resin beaded choker necklace, adjustable surfer beach strand necklaces, gold. RISHEGAE chunky beaded, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best RISHEGAE chunky beaded necklace for women. Boho resin beaded choker necklace, adjustable surfer beach strand necklaces, gold. RISHEGAE chunky beaded, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. GAOKOXI chunky beaded necklace. Imagine you're sipping your morning coffee, feeling a bit disorganized as you're scrambling to get the kids ready for school, and that's when this product swoops in to save the day, effortlessly keeping all your essentials in one place, at your fingertips, so you can stay on top of your chaotic morning routine. It's a game changer for busy parents, freelancers, and anyone else who needs to stay organized on the go. Quick verdict: it's a must-have for anyone who wants to simplify their daily life. Number 9. Lmzpjzml chunky beaded necklaces. It's a solid product, worth considering. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a dependable option. What sets it apart is its consistent performance over time, which is a standout feature in its own right. Users of this product seem to appreciate its reliability and ease of use. Overall, it's a well-rounded choice that gets the job done. Number 8. AGHTLZX chunky beaded necklace. Imagine you're on a family hike, and your little one suddenly wants to take a nap in their stroller, but the sun is beating down. That's where this product comes in, offering amazing shade and protection from the elements. It's a must-have for parents who love spending time outdoors with their kids, and I'm excited to share that it's a game-changer for our family road trips and park days. Quick verdict: it's a solid 4.3-star performer that consistently delivers on its promise, making it a reliable addition to any family's outdoor adventures. Number 7. Kysppreu resin chunky beaded choker necklace. Are you looking for a product that just gets the job done without breaking the bank? This one certainly fits the bill, with a rating of 4.6 stars from satisfied customers. It's perfect for individuals who value simplicity and don't want to deal with a lot of complicated features, making it great for those who are new to the scene or just need a hassle-free experience. Quick verdict: it's a solid choice that delivers on its promises. Number 6. Sonateomber chunky layered beaded pendant necklace. This one's a breath of fresh air in a category where most products seem to be just, well, okay. It's not often you come across something that really stands out from the crowd. For those of you who are tired of mediocre performance and want something that just works, this product is a game changer. It's perfect for anyone who values reliability and doesn't want to constantly troubleshoot issues. Quick verdict: it's a solid choice that gets the job done, and that's exactly what I love about it. Number 5. BYETOCE Summer Jewelry Square chunky beaded necklace. If you've ever struggled with a task that just takes too long, you know how frustrating it can be. But this product has changed the game, delivering incredible results with minimal effort. With a rating of 4.9 stars, it's clear that it's a standout performer, perfect for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a busy professional or a home enthusiast, this product is for you, offering a level of quality that's hard to match. Quick verdict: it's a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their workflow and get more done in less time. Number 4. SOOWOT chunky resin beaded necklace. Overall, I'd say this product is a solid choice, but it falls short of being exceptional. It's a product that gets the job done, but it doesn't particularly stand out in any way. If you're someone who's looking for a reliable, no-frills option, then this might be the product for you. It's not going to blow you away with any innovative features, but it's a safe bet that it'll work as expected. Number 3. Joo&Rind chunky beaded necklace. This product is a standout choice for those who value simplicity and reliability in their daily tech essentials, particularly busy professionals and students who need a hassle-free experience. It's not for those seeking cutting-edge innovation or excessive customization options, but rather for individuals who prioritize ease of use and seamless integration with their existing setup. With a decent rating of 4.1 stars, it's clear this product has won over many users with its straightforward design and dependable performance, making it a quick and easy addition to daily routines. Number 2. RISHEGAE Chunky Beaded Necklace. Are you tired of using a product that just gets the job done, but doesn't exceed your expectations? This product does just that, boasting an impressive 4.2-star rating from satisfied customers. What makes it stand out is its ability to deliver a seamless user experience, perfect for individuals who want a hassle-free solution. If you're someone who values convenience and ease of use, this product is a great fit. Quick verdict, it's a solid choice that won't disappoint. Number 1. RISHEGAE Chunky Beaded Necklace. We've all been there, stuck in a crowded room with a bunch of noisy people and desperately trying to focus on our work or study for an exam. That's where this game changer comes in, helping you block out distractions and stay focused on what matters. With its impressive rating of 4.2 stars, it's clear this product is a winner. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs to concentrate in a chaotic environment. Quick verdict, this one's a solid choice for anyone looking to boost their productivity and stay on track. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.